In the shadows of Cape Breton and secret shores, where the ocean whispers and the eagle soars, we lose ourselves in nature's embrace. Each touch, each glance, a slow, sweet chase. A moonlit glow of Lake Louise's tide, where the stars reflect your eyes open and wide. From the misty peaks of the Rockies so high, with every step you feel me close by. We packed our bags at the crack of dawn. With a map and a dream, we hit the road it's on. Through winding trails and mountain skies, your smile shines under northern lights. In Banff, where the rivers flow so free, it's just you and me, babe, just you and me. We're touring Canada, hand in hand, from Niagara's road to Alberta's land. Each mile we go, it's pure romance in this country dance. It's a country dance. We saw the fall and felt the mist. You held me close, we shared a kiss. In Jasper fields and forests vast, every moment making memories that last. From east to west, on maple trees, it's just you and me, babe. We're touring Canada, hand in hand, from Niagara's road to Alberta's land. Each mile we go, it's pure romance in this country dance. It's a country dance, the open road, our love's frontiers. With every turn, you're always near in this maple land. There's nothing we fear, just you and me, babe, the destination's clear. We're touring Canada, hand in hand, from Niagara's road to Alberta's land. Each mile we go, it's pure romance in this country dance. It's a country dance.
We packed our bags, took the northern route, looking for wonders, there ain't no doubt. Through snowy peaks, the endless fields, where the beauty of nature never yields. From Niagara's road to Passery, catching sunsets live, painted dream, hand in hand through maple leaves. We're in Canada, where our hearts believe. In a cabin by the lake, we make our stay. Mountains are whispering, they call our name. Driving through the valleys under stars so bright. Every mile together feels so right. From Niagara's road to Passery, catching sunsets live, painted dream, hand in hand through maple leaves. We're in Canada, where our hearts believe. Sunrise, another story unfolds. The northern lights casting sparks of gold. We'll tour this land, ever growing old. Canada's beauties, our love retold. From Niagara's road to Banff serene, catching sunsets like in a dream. Hand in hand, we make old leaves, touring Canada where our hearts believe.
We're riding high in an old RV, from the Rockies down tranquility. Maple leaves and open skies, with you right here I'm mesmerized. From Banff to Niagara's road, hand in hand we'll explore more. And it's one more night under the stars, with the banjo tune and our old guitars. We'll chase the sun till we're way too far. Love we found moments crowned in this land so vast. We'll go till we find peace. We'll go till we find peace. She shares my dreams on this country road. Every mile our story's told. In forest deep and lake so clear, I find my strength when she is near. From the cabins to the mountain peaks, with every turn my heart speaks. It's one more night under the stars, with the banjo tune and our old guitars. We'll chase the sun till we're way too far. Love we's drowned in this land so vast. We'll go till we find peace. We'll go till we find peace. Northern lights and skies so gray, love blooms wide in this endless land. Every trail that we walk hand in hand, our bond grows strong like a river to the sea. And it's one more night under the stars, with a banjo tune and our old guitars. We'll chase the sun till we're way too far. The love we found, more and more is found in this land so vast. Go till we find peace. We'll go till we find peace.